Greg's Tropical Frog Paradise YouTube channel. It's the 2nd of March, Friday, and you're probably wondering why I've got my scarf over my face. It's because it is ice showers, so it's falling as rain. As soon as it hits the ground, it's ice, so when it hits your face, it feels like there's shards of glass hitting your face. I don't really fancy that, so let's put the camera around. Here we go. This is the village I live in, Langley Marsh. There's a lot of snow. It's been snowing all night. I measured it 6 inches at about 8 o'clock last night. Probably another inch or two's fallen since then, but then, like I said, it's been falling as rain slash ice, so yeah. Zoom up there a little bit. It's just completely covered in the white stuff. I'm not going to keep my phone out too long because of it raining, obviously. But yeah, these roads are quite bad. Cars are still getting through. They're still getting through, so that's the main thing. It's very hard to walk through though because it's just solid ice now. It's just turning all the snow into ice, so it's very, very hard on the feet. I'm making my daily walk to work right now. I would usually cycle, but obviously I can't cycle in this, otherwise I'll be straight off my bike, probably causing some injury. So walking in the middle of the road is a rare chance. Snow one actually, to be fair. Some of the hedgerows out. Bitterly cold, the wind's blowing as well, it's blowing a hoolie. There we go, look guys. This is where I went for a walk with my son yesterday up there. As you can see, hardly nothing's come down there. Look at that. Completely blanketed in snow. So yeah, that's it guys. My glasses are getting steamed up, so I can't see anything. Pavement, banks along the side. So this way, one of my palm trees, a tractor car's 429, you can't even see the trunk. So it's not a big 429, but about a couple of foot, maybe a foot and a half. So it's completely solid around the trunk. The trunk's disappeared. Little gap there where the water's running from the field. So yeah, I'm off to work now. I'm going to put my phone away so I can keep my hands nice and warm. Looks like there's some black ice up ahead as well, so I'm going to get off my phone now, concentrate on my walk, avoiding injuries. Take care guys, see you soon for another video. Cheers and bring on the spring.